Today we recommend to you Yangsen's high-speed and high-precision mold gantry machining center YSMV-1517 model, which is standardly equipped with a 6,000 rounds per minute BBT50 high-rigidity spindle. The axis adopts a 4-linear guideway square raw design. It can not only meet the high precision and high speed of the linear guideway machine tool, but also the high rigidity of the hard linear machine. In addition, this model has a minimum footprint of 3.8*4 meters and only needs a standard 4-meter factory building. The front and rear use an integrated gate bridge with high and low rail design, which increases the Y-axis rail span and reduces processing vibration. 3-axis travel is 1,500/1,700, and the HSK is 6/3 18,000 rounds per minute high-frequency electric spindle, 3-axis optical scale, and Renishaw and C4 can also be optionally equipped. The high-speed and high-precision mold function can meet the different needs of high-precision molds in the fields of automobiles, medical care, aviation, etc. Yangsen YSMV-1517 Gantry Machining Center will surely become your right-hand man in the field of industrial manufacturing, with its excellent performance and exquisite appearance. If you need specific specifications, please contact us.